Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verasity. On a daily time frame chart, after breaking out a quite long down channel, you can see that the price line of Verasity also broke down the support of this rising wedge pattern. After that, we had a big drop and still it is moving at this support, a short-term support of $0.00238. You can see that we have several touch points at this support and now the price and is again gearing up. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that is already happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that after the breakout from this wedge, the price then broke out another falling wedge pattern, then formed another smaller falling wedge pattern here and broke it out as well. And now it is stuck. It was stuck inside in another bullish path pattern that was another down channel. And now we have already broken out this down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of September 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Togo Crypto, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup, I shared on 4 days ago. And you can also want the complete trade signal as well, like this with the buying zone and sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Verasity, and this is the daily time frame chart. And you can see that here for the past several days, since after 4th of March 2024, the price line was moving inside this quite long down channel. You can see that we had a bounce here, then we got several rejections, then we had another bounce here, then we got few more rejections here, then we had another bounce here, rejection here, and finally we broke it out. And after the breakout, the price then was still moving inside this rising wedge pattern. You can see that when it was moving inside this channel, the price formed this rising wedge pattern. We found the resistance here on 9th of June 2024 and found the support here on 5th of July. And after getting squeezed inside this wedge, finally we broke it down. The target was here at the bottom of the wedge, and you can see that after hitting that target, the price then also found a short-term support here at $0.00238 as well. You can see that for several days, the price has been testing the support, and now it is once again gearing up. And by the way, the next major resistance will be here at $0.0035. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that recently it was breaking as a resistance here. And before that, it had been working as a support here for a few weeks. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price. And you can see that recently it was working as a resistance here. And by the way, here it was also working as a support as well. And if in case of breaking out this resistance, after that, it can hit a very long-term support and resistance zone that starts from $0.0045 and goes to $0.0049. That was previously working as support, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And the technical target for the breakout from this channel is, by the way, here at the top of the channel at 1.6 cents. But in my opinion, after breakout from this channel, it can also hit this long-term resistance of 1.7 cents as well. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this 1.7 cents has been previously working as a very strong support here for a few weeks, and therefore now it can work as a strong resistance. Now on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and still the price and did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 9 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.